Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in Law of Attraction, we'll discuss about how to use Law of Attraction for weight loss. People have used these techniques all over the world and they have got immense success in them. It is possible using Law of Attraction as a tool to lose weight. And what are those tools or what are the techniques that can be used? Let's check them out. Law of attraction for weight loss. Law of attraction lets you have the power to choose what on your thoughts, beliefs, feelings, attitudes and actions. It is possible. In this way, you have the power to create your own reality. Law of attraction basically has the power to choose your own thoughts, beliefs, feelings and attitudes, and you can have your own reality by using the power of law of attraction. It is possible to achieve what you want in your life, whether a health, wealth, happiness, a lot of weight loss. It is all these techniques are used and implemented to ensure that you attract what you want in your life. You are the author of your life story. You have the power to change the story if you want to. It is your life. It is the way you are living, and you are the author of your life, and you can change the story, you can change the narration, you can change the script of your life because you are the author of your life. You can change anything, including losing weight. It is possible. Your weight problem is a story that may have been in your life for some time now. The story of your weight loss includes all beliefs and attitudes you have about yourself, body, weight, exercise and the food, because these are the habits that you have inculcated in yourself, because it is your life and you are basically using the story of your life to dwell or get into what you want, including your body, the weight, the exercise and the food, because you are evolving the way you want it and you are attracting what you want because you want them, because that is stored in your subconscious mind. The power of law of attraction, the affirmations and visualization techniques will help you shed weight. The power of law of attraction and the techniques such as affirmations, manifestations and visualizations will help you immensely in shedding that weight that you have in your body. What are the visualization techniques that you can use? Close your eyes, imagine fat cell passing through your skin and floating upwards past the clouds into the sky. Just visualize. Try it once. Like all the fat cells in your body are flowing up in the sky, going out from your body. It is possible. Just visualize one. You try this once and see your skin tightening around your firmer, slimmer body. You visualize that all the fat cells are passing through your skin and floating upwards into the sky, and see yourself, your skin is tightening around your slimmer body. Close your eyes, imagine fat cell in your body burn up its own calories in a warm little sunburst of energy. Visualize once, try it once. Close your eyes, imagine each fat cell in your body burns up in its own calories and in a warm sunburst of energy. Give it a try once. It is possible. Visualize all this happy little burst of energy within inside you, feeding you the right kind of energy, because the mind has visualized these techniques and the body will respond to it. When the mind and the body synchronize together, you see things, you see the changes happening in your life. Physically prepare yourself for better things to happen. If you are expecting to shed say 5 kgs within the next 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you actually prepare yourself today for that day to happen. When you prepare yourself for that day to happen, you are actually sending positive vibes within your body. The energy is flowing a lot. When you think about those things that are happening in your life as if it already happened in your life, the more the changes that you see in your life. and watch your body become slimmer and firmer. It is possible. You can have a slimmer, a firmer body if you visualize and implement this technique. See yourself turning down dessert to go, or throwing away the sugary sweets, taking water instead of juice or soda. When you actually visualize these things happening in your life, when you have those thoughts in your mind, when your body is reacting to it, you will actually forego all those things, the desserts or the sweets that you are habitual of doing. Then you are more inclined towards the water and other liquids, so that your body is actually responding to your thought process. And these are some of the visualization techniques that you can use and implement as far as weight loss is concerned. Affirmation techniques. After the visualization techniques, use the affirmation techniques. Make intent. The first important affirmation that you need to use is make an intent. Clear intent is the first step. Develop the resolve to lose weight. Just having certain visualizations is going to help you lose weight? It may not. What you need to have, that you have to have that intent, the resolve that you really want to lose weight. That actually comes from the affirmation. You are reaffirming yourself that you have the intention, you have the objective and the resolve to lose weight. Visualize with the affirmations. Make affirmations to change the eating habits. Extremely important. Use the affirmations to change the habits of your eating habits, to make sure that you do not eat or you do not indulge in what you want to eat, and making sure that you stay away from such food to work things for you. Imagine your ideal self. Visualize your ideal self the way you always want to. Make sure that you have certain visualization techniques, imagination techniques that can use and implement, because you want to implement certain techniques because you have made an intent and you are visualizing the affirmations, and the way you always want to be, the lightweight, you have a light body, you have a full of energy body. Make sure that you put those things in your mind the way you want to be, not the way you are right now with lot of weight on your body. Fourth is envision the future. Be thankful and grateful and create a vision for the future. It is extremely important. You create a vision for the future. How many kilos of weight that you are going to lose in the next 1 month or 2 months, because you have made a resolve, you have made an intent. Then you are visualizing with the affirmations and imagining how you want to be 3 months down the line or 6 months down the line, because you are envisioning the future the way you want to be. And have this affirmation techniques implement, pretty sure you are going to be the way you always wanted to be. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is law of attraction for weight loss, visualization techniques and the affirmation techniques. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.